A brand new morning softly begins. A peaceful moment gently unfolds. Take one deep breath, open your heart. Today is a beautiful place to start. Golden sunlight fills the sky. Lift your hands and reach up high. Feel the earth beneath your feet. Every heartbeat finds its beat. Stretch with grace, move nice and slow. Let your peaceful spirit grow. Every breath becomes a song, helping body move along. Breathe in hope, breathe out light. Everything will feel just right. Every moment, every smile makes this journey so worthwhile. Morning harmony shining bright, filling every heart with light. Move with joy, breathe so free, living in perfect harmony. Step by step we'll gently rise, touching dreams beyond the skies. Every breath, every smile makes today feel so worthwhile. Like the river, smooth and clear, peace and courage both are here. Like the trees that reach above, growing stronger through their love. Gentle breezes softly sing, hope is carried on the wind. Every movement calm and true brings a brighter world to you. Breathe in peace, breathe in grace. Feel the sunshine on your face. Let your heart be calm and free, just the way it's meant to be. Morning harmony shining bright, filling every heart with light. Move with joy, breathe so free, living in perfect harmony. Step by step we'll gently rise, touching dreams beyond the skies. Every breath, every smile makes today feel so worthwhile. Every sunrise brings new light, every challenge brings new height. With a peaceful heart I'll grow, more than yesterday I know. Hope is shining all around, beauty lives in every sound. Body, spirit, heart and mind, perfect balance we can find. Morning harmony shining bright, guiding every soul with light. Strong and peaceful, calm and free, this is where I'm meant to be. Morning harmony fills my soul, helping every dream unfold. One deep breath begins today, lighting up my peaceful way. The morning smile, the heart is quiet, the journey